So in this video, I'm going to be telling you all the most important topics of first chapter of history. So this is just the introductory part. You can just leave it or read it for the backstory. Political causes, very important. All the topics of political causes is very important. Don't ignore it and see the occurrence of it in the book, so you can understand how important it is. These two dates are very important. Subsidiary alliance, the whole part is important. From this part, just remember whatever I have highlighted. Doctrine of lapse, who introduced the definition, and whatever I have highlighted is important. On pretext of alleged misrule, the highlighted part and these 4 points are important. Then disrespect shown to Bahadur Shah. Here, if the question comes, you have to write these 3 points. ट्रीटमेंट गिवन टू नाना साहेब, दीज 2 पॉइंट्स यू कैन लर्न. एब्सेंटी सोवेनिटी इजी है. इसका मतलब क्या है कि ब्रिटिश जो थे वो जो इंडिया में पैसा कमाते थे वो ब्रिटेन में जाके उसे खर्च करते थे, पर मुगल्स जो थे वो ऐसा नहीं करते थे. वो इंडिया में सेटल होकर इंडिया एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के लिए ही वो पैसा खर्च करते थे. नेक्स्ट, सोशियो रिलीजियस कॉजेस, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यहाँ पे मैंने जो 4 पॉइंट्स लर्न किए थे वो था फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, सिक्स्थ वन and the last one, law of property. Economic causes, again very important. The occurrence in votes is very much. Easy points are drain of wealth, growing unemployment, inhuman treatment given to indigo cultivators, and poverty and famines. Military causes, again important topic. Easy to learn points are first, second, fourth, and the 8th one, that is the ratios of salaries of the British and Indians. Immediate cause, not in syllabus, but if you want to read you can, and beginning of uprising and main events are completely not in syllabus. Consequences, very important. From the first point you have to learn the all 4 points. Lord Canning was the first viceroy of India, please remember this. Queen Victoria's proclamation, learn any 4 points. For this, just read it once. Then again for this also just read it once, and this date is very important. These 2 topics also you can read once. This one is not asked till now, but you never know. Religious changes, just read it, and changes in the army. Now here you have to learn any of the 4 points. Lastly, for rise of nationalism and the 13th point, just read whatever I have underlined. Drawbacks, not in syllabus. This page also cut. Thank you guys, that's all for today. Stay tuned for the second chapter.